Altogether, we picked 14 pledges.
Wait, who's this guy?
Well, that's Blue.
Yeah.
It's an old Navy vet who hangs around my store a lot. But don't worry about it, he's legit.
He looks like he's 100 years old. He wants to pledge.
Are you kidding me? The old man River won't shut up about it. Go time!
Anyone about this, I'll fucking kill you. I'm kidding. We'll come back by tonight. Okay, sweet.
Come on, let's go. Nice and easy. There we go.
Congratulations, gentlemen. You should all be very proud of yourselves. Each and every one of you has been handpicked to represent our inaugural pledge class. And over the next 21 days, you're all going to experience intense mental and physical strain.
Ah!
Frank, just pace yourself.
Copy that. Just got a little overexcited. Sorry.
At this point, you may be asking yourself, why am I holding this 30-pound cinder block in my hands? You might also ask yourself, why does this cinder block have a long piece of string tied to it? And finally, why is the other end of this string tied securely to your penis?
And the answer, ladies, is trust. This is your first test.
Spanish! Do you trust that we've provided you with enough slack so that your block will land safely on the lawn?
Sir, yes, sir.
And Blue!
Yes, sir.
Do you trust that I do not want to see you die here tonight?
Sir, yes, sir.
Blue, you're my boy!
Thank you, sir.
About face! Step to the edge! Pledges! Prepare to release! 1, 2, 3, release! Wasn't meant to happen like that, Waynesy!
Walk it off, big guy. Coming down.